Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're making lava lamp. We'll need a few ingredients: an empty jar, cooking oil, food coloring, and baking soda. Let's get started. First, we need a few teaspoons of baking soda. Add them into the empty jar. Now shake the jar a little bit to level it. Add the oil into the jar containing baking soda. Oops, we forgot to mention vinegar at the start. We also need vinegar. Now unscrew the food coloring. We're using a pink one today. Add a few drops of the coloring into the jar. Now put the cap back on. Swirl the jar to mix the food coloring with the vinegar. Now let's bring in a light source and darken the room. Put the oil on top of the light. Then slowly pour the vinegar into the oil. Watch the bubbles forming. Now let's try a different color, yellow. Whoa, look at those bubbles. Lastly, let's try the blue one. Wow, look at that! Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to watch more videos in future.